In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klaviyo to send emails. Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing software that allows you to connect with your audience in a meaningful way. With its user-friendly interface, you'll be crafting emails like a pro in no time. Let's dive in and get started by navigating the Klaviyo dashboard. So, you're on your Klaviyo dashboard. On the left panel, you'll notice a variety of options that aid in customizing your marketing efforts. What we want to focus on right now is the content section, which is where all the magic begins. Go ahead and click on Content, and then you'll see an option called Templates. This is where Klaviyo stores all the pre-designed layouts that you can adapt for your own use. It's right within this section where your creativity can really shine through. Once you've clicked on Templates, direct your attention to the Email Library tab. Here, Klaviyo offers a wide selection of ready-made templates that you can choose from. This library is specifically designed to save you time and effort while providing a professional-looking email design. As you scroll through, take a mental note of the templates that align well with your brand's image and tone. Remember, you're not just limited to these, they are fully customizable to meet the needs of your campaign. After selecting a template that suits your needs, you'll be taken to the email editor. This is where the personalization comes into play. The editor is user-friendly and allows you to modify everything from text content to images and colors. This is your opportunity to tailor the email to reflect your brand voice, whether it's a promotional email, a newsletter, or an event invitation. Make sure it speaks directly to your audience's interests. Once you're satisfied with your email customization, you have two options. You can either send this email directly to your subscribers or decide to send a test email first. Sending a test email is highly recommended, especially if you're new to using the platform or trying out a new email design. This step ensures that everything appears as it should and functions correctly when it lands in the recipient's inbox. It's a quick and easy measure to verify that links are working, images are displayed correctly, and your text has no errors. And there you have it. Hopefully, now you feel confident about using Klaviyo's features to craft and send your emails. Remember that personalization is key in email marketing, so take the time to make each message special to your subscribers. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy emailing.